The Sherpa community has been dispersed from its native roots to different cities within Nepal and abroad in search of new opportunities for the last few decades. This process has caused for the newer generation to have a lack of interest and opportunity to learn or use their native language, eradicating its use. As the language is now at the verge of being extinct, the Global Sherpa Association has now created an app that will help guide the user to understand and communicate in Sherpa. Designed to help the younger generation specifically from easily translating Nepali or English words in Sherpa. It will also teach you to pronounce sentences correctly. The app is beneficial for anyone who wants to learn how to converse in Sherpa. Available in both Google Play Store and iOS App Store, after installing, users can view and select various modes to use this app. While you can make an account, the app also allows access with guest mode. You can log in with your Facebook or Google account as well. To create an account, simply select the given option. After filling in the needed details, an OTP code will be sent to your email. Post verification, you can now view the home screen. On the top right corner, there is a setting icon through which you can select your preferred language on the app. For now, let's select the Nepali language. You may also modify your profile as needed from the profile icon placed below the settings. The Sherpa translation option allows you to translate English or Nepali words in Sherpa using the search bar. On the top right of the screen, you may select English or Nepali. This helps translate either English or Nepali in Sherpa while helping you pronounce the shown words. If you choose to translate English words in Sherpa, simply select English. Now type the word here and click on search where the meaning of the word appears in Sherpa. You not only learn the word, but also learn how to pronounce it.
Topkang.
Here I have typed hello. As you can see, the word has now been written and spoken in Sherpa. If there are any mistakes, you can also provide feedback on the app with the designated button. As the app translates the words in Sherpa, it also suggests the list of sentences made up from the translated word and shows its Nepali meaning. Other similar words can also be viewed from the tag here. As a result, people who understand English can learn both Nepali and Sherpa simultaneously. If you choose Nepali here, you can translate Nepali words into the Sherpa language by typing in Nepali or the Roman alphabet in the search bar. For example, if you search by typing Namaskar, you get the Sherpa's translation as well as the English pronunciation of that word.
Tasideleg.
Some Sherpa words and names of objects don't have a proper Nepali or English translation. For such cases, pictures are provided on the app.
Z.
If you would like to speak or write in Sherpa sentences, there is an option called Sentences in which a list of sentences of different categories will be shown. If you select one of them, you can find different sentences. If the app language is set for Nepali, then Nepali sentences appear here. If you choose English, all the sentences will appear in English. Now, if you tap on a sentence, you will find English and Nepali translations of the sentence along with the Sherpa language on the screen. The sound icon will provide audio for you to perfect your pronunciation. A Sherpa dictionary is also accessible on this app. This dictionary also has the option for both Nepali and English. If you want to search for words and sentences based on English letters, you have to choose English. Below, you can see the alphabets A to Z. If you select a particular alphabet, it opens up additional letters associated with the selected alphabet. If you then select one of them, you will view an extended list of words and sentences made up of that letter. After clicking on the words and sentences here, you can see the translation in Sherpa as before. If you choose Nepali, Nepali vowels and consonants appear on the screen. If you press any letter like before, a list of words containing that letter will be shown. By choosing any of these words or sentences, you can easily know what it is called in Sherpa. Users are also given the option to read blogs and news related to the Sherpa community and also watch videos on the app. To know more about the app, you can simply click on the eye icon. There are other options to provide help and feedback.